And this is a little nail, a little brad nail, and some glue. This is definitely not braiding proof. Let's go fix this.
You ready?
So fixing Braden's what's that, bulldozer.
Okay, we're gonna go through the same hole. I'm just gonna get a little bit started right here. Okay. That chunk so it doesn't. I mean, only that little piece actually held, because you can see like it wasn't glued on good, because like whenever you glue something and it's glued well, the glue line shouldn't break. It's usually the wood will snap around it, and some of the wood snapped, but not good. This one drill through. Okay, that's how it thinks. Okay, that's good. Fit well. Okay, boom. Just as I figured. It's all clogged. Yeah.
Is it coming out?
No.
Okay. It's clogged. Old.
Yeah, it's clogged. Because look, the tip gets in there. It's like you could never. It's just like a little hobbyist. You're never gonna get through a whole bottle of glue before it clogs up.
Yeah. Just open it up.
Open it up. Do this by hand. A little dab will do you. On here. Boop, boop. A little more. We gotta braiding proof this thing, you know?
He play rough.
You know, like you build wooden toys, you better make sure. Okay, now I need something to.
Yeah, we got this from wood store at Helen.
With toy wood store.
Yeah.
Toy store.
Helen's, Georgia. At Helen's, Georgia.
No, just Helen.
Just Helen.
Not plural. That there. Like that. Oops.
There you go.
That's fine. It's clogged anyway. It ain't gonna come out. Don't want to put too much torque on it so it don't split on me. There we go.
And
That
now
has a hardened fastener instead of a ductile one, and some grip, and it's going to be glued, and now that should work pretty good.
Look at the price at the back.
Yeah, $9.
Yeah.
$9 for something that's going to come apart.
Yeah.
And I think I already glued the wheels on once. Yeah, did I glue it? I think I did. Yeah, I can see my glue right here. Here.
Okay, that's done.
Let that set. Maybe throw some sand on it or something. Let me go tighten up with a screwdriver. I don't want to use that thing because it's going to split. Yeah, I don't want to. Yeah, now it's starting to ooze out. There we go. Got some good oozing. Now I can. Okay, now it works.
Okay. Where's the boy?
I don't know. Here's all my hydro homies.